Unlock a world of secure and unrestricted internet with Surfshark VPN. First, let's get Surfshark installed on your device. Head over to the Surfshark website using your web browser. You'll want to find the download option. Surfshark offers apps for almost every device. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, or even Linux, simply click the download button that corresponds to your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts. It's a straightforward process, usually just a few clicks. Now that Surfshark is installed, open the application. You'll be prompted to log in with your Surfshark account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one on their website. The main dashboard is your control center to connect to a server. You have two easy options. You can hit the quick connect button for the fastest available server, or you can manually choose a server location from the extensive list. Want to access content from another country? Simply scroll through the server list, tap on a country you desire, and press the connect button. With a single tap, Surfshark encrypts your internet traffic, turning your online activity into an unreadable stream of data. This protects your privacy from your ISP, hackers, and anyone else trying to snoop. This encryption also allows you to bypass geo-restrictions, meaning you can access websites, streaming services, and apps that might be blocked in your current region. Safeguard your sensitive data from potential threats and browse the internet with confidence. Surfshark VPN is your key to a more private, secure, and open online experience. Get started today.